Hello friend, welcome to your channel. How to know? In this video, I'm going to tell about the wallet.io. It is a part of the gate.io and it is a subsidiary of the gate.io. So where you can create your own wallet for the cryptocurrencies. So let's start. Before I'm starting the video, please subscribe my channel if you're new on the channel, and please do share my video as much as you can. So let's start. First of all, you are seeing here four dots. Just you have to click over here, and after clicking, you will see wallet.io. Just you have to click here. After clicking, a page will be open, which look like this. And after that, just you have to click on the start to make a wallet over here. So here is also hardware wallet is available. So you can store your all the crypto in this wallet or hardware wallet easily and can carry anywhere and any country of other any country. So to start it, you have to buy it first or you have to create it first. So here is a link given in the description section also. So from there you can easily sign up over there. So business is also available over here, and you can read it out all the detail. Actually, in this it is in China, so you have to convert in the English first, and after you can check it out. So here I will not read it out because I don't know about the Chinese language. So just I will come to standard, and here I have already selected the language English, and after that application is also available for the get.io, and just to create the wallet.io you have to click on start button. After getting, you can see here you can log in wallet.io by login with the get.io account, or you can log in by hardware key, or as I showed already. So you can log in using the hardware key also, or hardware wallet also. Here I am going to log in with my gate.io account. Just I have to click here, and after clicking, page will look like this. Just I have to scan it from my mobile to log in to gate.io. So I will click on the this logo. Here you can see a barcode is already shown here, which I have to scan it. So let us scan. Here I have scanned and it is being logged, and here you can see that it is logged in now. So here you can see create wallet.io personal wallet, and provide your F2FA protection through get.io. And on chain wallet, all asset can be viewed and tracked on the blockchain user. Assets are separated from each other. Private key is used at the moment of transfer upon user authorization and burned immediately. So just to create wallet, I have to click over here. After clicking, a page will be open. Here I have to put fund password. I will put my fund password like this. Okay, and after that, I will click on the send SMS. A SMS will be sent to my phone, and after that, I have to enter the code here. So I am entering my code. After entering, I will click on the authorize. Okay, so this puzzle will be open. Okay, and just I have to match it here. After matching it, it will. So here you can see my wallet is actually not created because there is some problem in the message sending. Actually, my mobile is not working currently, but this is a simple steps. By using all these steps, you can easily sign up on the wallet.io and store all the crypto safely on that online on the wallet, and you can use anytime, anywhere by the hardware key and by the software key. Okay, so I would like to thank you all for the watching my video. Thanks for watching.